How is your brother? What's his mindset right now?
He sent out a very clear instruction today that you have to go out, protest outside the returning officer's office, and recover your seats, the ones that have been stolen. It wasn't Imran Khan's vote that they took away. They took away the right of 15 million people to recognize the symbol. That bat was a symbol that 15 million people who are illiterate recognize their candidate with the symbol.
Do you have faith that they will be able to reverse those results?
It's not his wish, it's the vote, the people's vote. The time has come that you have to respect the vote.
Do you think your brother owes it to his supporters to compromise and to work with the other sides?
I don't know, I can't speak